As an HVAC contractor known for precision, expertise, and top quality service in Las Vegas, Nevada, Honest HVAC is committed to providing the best solutions for our clients' needs, including ductless mini splits. Our team of certified HVAC technicians is fully licensed and insured, ensuring that no job size is too big for us to handle. While we strive to offer the highest quality products and services, determining if Honest HVAC has the best ductless mini splits ultimately depends on individual preferences, requirements, and budget. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Honest HVAC. What is the rule of thumb for ductless mini splits? When it comes to ductless mini splits, it's important to have one indoor unit for every 400 to 500 square feet of living space to ensure proper heating or cooling in each room. At Honest HVAC, our certified HVAC technicians can provide precise installation and maintenance for your ductless mini split system. Do you need a ductless mini split in every room? Ductless mini split systems may not be necessary in every room, but they can be a great option for providing personalized comfort and energy efficiency in specific areas of your home. Ductless mini splits are popular due to their ability to provide both heating and cooling capabilities without the need for ductwork. At Honest HVAC, whether you're looking to install a ductless mini split in a single room or multiple areas of your home, we have the proficiency and dedication to get the job done right. What is your service area? Our Honest HVAC serve the following Nevada locations: Spring Valley, Winchester, Downtown South, Summerlin, Henderson, Reno, North Las Vegas, Paradise, Sunrise Manor, Enterprise, Sparks, Carson City, Whitney, Pahrump, Sun Valley, Charleston, Green Valley North, Las Vegas, Nevada. Where is your Honest HVAC office located? We are located at A100, 9205 West Russell Road, Building 3, Suite 130, Las Vegas, Nevada 89148, United States. Our phone number is 725-444-7247. Visit our website, https://honesthvaccompany.com/west-russell-spring-valley-ac-installation-repair 2.